Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Dah bubuk hakmat yang thong ban Pynsuk ki Paidbah hakarukom trekam Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi u Abilash Baranwal lepen kubor ya bro ki Block Development Officer ki Bediru ki Executive Magistrate ban bishar ki kes bat ban pinmi ya ku hukum hapok ki kendon jangka Registration of Births and Death Act kandai spa sanpo bad rules. Hagaji kena kilat putai kubor u Abilash Baranwal ulong ba hapok ki kendon jangka Registration of Births and Death Act kakandai spa Ribhoi Central Act number 18 of 1960 bak kami gelaya Registration of Births and Death Rules kakandai spa kanai pukandai lapen kubor ban shim ban bishar ban pinmi ya ku hukum bat ban pinbet ya ki kam jong ki mukut duma ki biade bat ka jing pendrung kerteng ya ki jing kha bat jing yap hapok kendon jong ka Registration of Births and Death Act kakandai spa sanpo. Shu ulong bagi Paidbah kiberan kam ban apply ke Syrnot Sngi kha bat Sngi yap kiberan kam shu belet shadu nongpo rinang ni syakman hilap ban yo da ka belet pan ke Office Community and Rural Development Block kana ban yo ko hukum na UBDO ni magistrate kana bakinup la ban lej ki PHC lani ki CHC ban yo ki Syrnot.
So birth certificate, whenever people try to get birth certificate for their children, if the children are more than 1 year of age, they have to get an order from a magistrate certifying that the child has been born, and so that the necessary birth certificate can be issued by the nearest public health center or let's say community health center. However, till now people had to come to Nongpo to get these orders from magistrates or ADMs. Now we have authorized our BDOs, who are also executive magistrates, to take hearing of such people who want to get their birth certificates and issue orders from their end. With that order, they can go to their respective PSC, CSC that get these birth certificates.
So we have taken this a step because we want to bring administration closer to people. We want to make administration as much accessible to them as possible, so that they do not have to come to Nongpo altogether. People will not have to come from Mohati, Umsning, faraway places, all the way to Nongpo to get these orders. They can go to their respective block offices and get this done. So from in Ribhoi, yes, I'm not aware whether it is happening in other parts of the Meghalaya or not. But as far as I know, in other districts, probably it is being done from the district.